Hello guys, welcome to Curry Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make carrot halwa or Gajar Halwa, anything you can say. This is one of my favorite dishes and I have eaten carrot halwa everywhere, all over the world, and I have made it in very different ways. And finally I came up with the best recipe how to make carrot halwa. Today I am going to show you guys. So it's really delicious. So let's get started.
We're gonna grate like 8 carrots, like a nice size here, nice and fresh. Peel them, grate it. We have sugar, butter, some cardamom powder, some almond, pistachio, and raisins, cashew, and khoya we have. And we're gonna add some oil here, add the butter a little bit. A little later we're gonna add in some cardamom, nicely crackle, and add the carrot here, grated carrot here. Saute them nicely until there is no water in the carrot, so around like a 7 to 10 minutes. Then we're gonna add some cashew and the raisins because they are raw, so we're gonna saute them nicely. Then we're gonna add some sugar in here after it's sauteed nicely, around like a 2.5 cups sugar we're gonna add in here. And I never make a measurement, but you can do the measurement. And then you will see the nice caramelization going on there, nice color coming here. Wow. And then at this moment, after sauteing few minutes, then we're gonna add some butter again to dissolve with the sugar and carrot. It's gonna bring the leaf flavor, and I just added a little bit pinch of salt so that enhance the flavor of sugar. Don't forget that. Then we're gonna add some 2 cup of milk in there. I don't put too much milk, otherwise it makes it watery. So 2 cup of milk, and reduce the flame, so medium flame is good. Cover it up so nicely the carrot will be cooked, and make sure keep moving in between, otherwise it will burn. You have to be very careful. Add some almonds, pistachio, cardamom powder. We're gonna add it, then mix it up, and we are gonna put the khoya here. Basically it's a reduced milk, so khoya or khoa, anything you can say. And cook it nicely for a few minutes. As you can see, this looks delicious, and of course it is, and it's ready to go, and you can enjoy